Hello, I'm Freddy Jacquin. At this year's NGH convention, my virtual presentation is titled The Power of Love, how to utilise any powerful emotion within a therapy session to induce hypnosis and to help your client toward a resolution of their problem. I'll be teaching the Jacquin arrow technique, how to eliminate physical or emotional pain. I'll be teaching TPM, Total Perception Management, how to have complete control of your emotions and teach your clients how to do that for themselves. I'll also be teaching the Jacquin time machine, how to revisit, review, reevaluate a past traumatic event, to take the strengths from it and then let go of the negative emotions attached. I'm looking forward to doing this until we meet in person, so we can be there in person once again. I'm looking forward to meeting you virtually and running this presentation for you. So take care, and I'll see you there.